Preamble of Indian Constitution. The Preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that outlines the guiding principles, values, and objectives of the Constitution. It serves as the foundation of the Constitution and reflects the aspirations of the people of India. Key features of the Preamble source of authority. The Preamble begins with the phrase, "We, the people of India," indicating that the Constitution derives its authority from the people of India. Nature of the Indian state. Sovereign. India is free from external control and has the authority to govern itself. Socialist. The term was added by the 42nd Amendment, 1976. It implies a commitment to achieving social and economic equality. Secular. The state has no official religion and treats all religions equally. Democratic. The government is elected by the people, and power is vested in the hands of the citizens. Republic. The head of the state, president, is elected, not hereditary. Objectives of the Constitution. Justice, social, economic, and political justice for all citizens. Liberty. Freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality, equality of status and opportunity. Fraternity, ensuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Date of adoption. The Preamble mentions the date of adoption of the Constitution, November 26, 1949. Significance of the Preamble reflects the philosophy of the Constitution. The Preamble encapsulates the essence of the Constitution, including its ideals and objectives. Guiding light for interpretation. The Supreme Court has often referred to the Preamble to interpret the Constitution and resolve ambiguities in its provisions. Not enforceable in court. While the Preamble is not enforceable in a court of law, it is considered part of the Constitution and holds significant moral and political value. Amendability of the Preamble. In the Keshava Ananda Bharathi case, 1973, the Supreme Court held that the Preamble is part of the Constitution and can be amended, provided the basic structure of the Constitution is not altered. Amendability of the Preamble. Kesavananda Bharati case, 1973. The Preamble is part of the Constitution, can be amended without altering the basic structure. Important amendments. 42nd Amendment, 1976. Added the words socialist, secular, and integrity to the Preamble. Key judgments related to the Preamble. Beru Bari Union Case, 1960. The Supreme Court held that the Preamble is not a part of the Constitution. Kesavananda Bharati Case, 1973. The court overruled the Berubari case and declared that the Preamble is part of the Constitution and reflects its basic structure. LIC of India Case, 1995. The Supreme Court reaffirmed that the Preamble is an integral part of the Constitution. Key points to remember for UPSC. The Preamble is based on the objective resolution drafted by Jawaharlal Nehru and adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947. The ideals of the Preamble are inspired by the French Revolution, liberty, equality, fraternity, and the American Constitution. The Preamble has been amended only once, through the 42nd Amendment Act, 1976. Conclusion. The preamble serves as a visionary preface reflecting India's constitutional philosophy. Understanding it is essential to grasp the core values of Indian polity.